Yung buhay ko, parang dead end. Wala nang ibang pupuntahan. I work as a seafarer, earning more than people my age. 22 years old pa lang ako when I started, but I was young and foolish. Lusaw agad ang pera. Tanong ko sa sarili ko, why are we spending our lives like this? Nabubuhay ba tayo para magtrabaho? Something had to change. Nag-search ako at nakita ko lahat ng seminar options on investor education. Maraming nag-recommend sa COL. They gave me all the info I needed in order to make well-informed investment decisions. So, nag-enroll ako. Nung umpisa, yung nakuha kong returns, kung saan lang to napunta. Pero nag-ipon na rin ako after. Pang-capital for my own businesses. Bakery ang naisip kong itayo. Hati kami sa capital ng mother ko. Balang araw, sana dumami ang branches. Ang sarap ng feeling ng may financial security. Napapalago ko yung pera ko through my investments. Buti, may mga companies like COL na pinapadali para sa mga ordinaryong taong tulad ko ang pag-i-invest. Happy ako with COL kasi very supportive talaga. Sa age ko, bihira ka makakitang nagagawa nila yung gusto nila. A richer life lets you live every moment without worrying about finances. Financially, I've got a good start.
Hi, I'm Jay Horolan, rich in aspiration.